preventing it in the first place is actually just putting in measures to actually reduce the occurrence. I mean, I would expect that everybody understands what chargeback is, right? Interestingly, there's no straightforward explanation in terms of definition, but really it's just conversion of successful transactions to failed via merchant acquiring channel. And this is you saying, hey, you've done it, you've ideally, you're supposed to go into a store or go online, right? Or go for agency banking perspective, go to an agent and make a successful transaction. If transaction is successful, value is exchanged, right? Which means if you've made a payment online, you get a value for it. And if you've gone to an agent location, transaction is successful, it means your card is debited and you then have value, right? Which means cash has been given. Transactions should end there, right?
Yeah.
Ideally. But it becomes disputed or chargeback when these successful transactions are then now disputed at the issuing bank's end, which is the bank of the customer, right? So the customer goes to the bank and says, hey, I actually did this transaction, but I didn't get value. Ideally, confirm with the merchant and stuff like that, right? That would have been the ideal process. But today, we're in a situation where this confirmation becomes very, very tedious for merchants that can't even respond as quick as possible. The bank then goes ahead to make sure that their customer is protected, right? That's actually what it is in a clear term.